Hello and good day. I am your Sir Domanais, and this video is about the different kinds of soil and their characteristic. This video will give us an idea on which of the types of soil is ideal for planting. And also, what is that little thing, a living creature, that is underneath that affects the nutrients of the soil? Soil is a very important natural resource on Earth made up of tiny particles of rocks and decayed plants and animals. Since soil is a natural resource, it has also different types. Each type is distinct in their physical characteristic that provided growing benefits. Soil can be categorized into sand, clay, silt, peat, chalk, and loam soil based on the dominating size of the particles within a soil. Soil can be considered as the most important thing on earth because it is the source of four essential living factors: food, clothes, shelter, and medicine, all of which are directly or indirectly coming from the soil. For plants, the soil is very important to their growth and yield. Soil provides an important role in our life merely because, number one, it holds the excess rainwater, preventing flooding. It is capable of storing large amount of organic carbon. It buffers against pollutants, also protecting groundwater quality. Soil also provides man with some essential construction and manufacturing materials. We build our houses with bricks made from clay. We drink coffee from a cup that is essentially back soil or clay. It also presents a record of past environmental conditions. Sandy soils contains high proportion of sand and little clay. A clay weighs about more than a sand. Sandy soil consists of small particles of weathered rock. It is one of the poorest type of soil for growing plants because it has very low nutrients and poor in holding water, which makes it hard for the plant's roots to absorb water. Sandy soil is very good for the drainage system. Sandy soil is usually formed by the breakdown of fragmentation of rocks like granite, limestone, and quartz. While clay soil is a type of soil that is heavy that benefits from high nutrients. Clay soil remain wet and cold in winter and dry out in summer. Clay soil are tightly packed together with each other with very little or no air space. Clay soil has very good water storage qualities and making hard for moisture and air to penetrate into it. It is very sticky to the touch when wet but smooth when dried. Clay is the densest and heaviest type of soil which do not drain well or provide space for plant roots to flourish. While peat soil is high in organic matter and retains a large amount of moisture. Peat soil is very rarely found in a garden and often imported into a garden to provide an optimum soil base for planting. While loam soil is a mixture of sand, silt, and clay, that are combined to avoid the negative effects of other type of soil. Loam soil are fertile, easy to work with, and provide good drainage, depending of course on their predominant composition that they can be either sandy or clay soil. Loam soil also has the ability to retain moisture and nutrients. It is more suitable for farming. Loam soil is also referred to as an agricultural soil as it includes an equilibrium of all three types of soil materials being sandy, clay, and silt. And it also happens to have humus. Apart from this, it also has a higher calcium and pH level because of its inorganic origins. Now we have a chalk soil. It can be either light or heavy, but always highly alkaline due to the calcium carbonate or lime within its structure. For silt soil, known to have a much smaller particles compared to the sand soil and is made up of rock and other mineral particles which are smaller than sand and larger than clay. Silt soil is smooth and quite fine quality of the soil that holds water better than sand. Silt soil is easily transported by moving currents and it is mainly found near the river, lake, and other water bodies.
Common manure, dried leaves, common manure, bark, tree bark,
Organic soil.
organic, dried leaves, sanga, common manure, all compost are organic. Tapos kung gusto nyo maging rich in fertilizer, pwede pong ipakain sa African night clover. Yung worms na tinatawag na African night clover.
Meron ka pa yan, mga worms dyan.
Yes po, meron po kami yan.
Ito pala.
Actually, nakapag-harvest na po kami ng...
Eh di ba ito yung vermicast na tinatawag?
Yes, sir. Vermicast. Ang vermicast po ay poop ng worms. Ito po yung lahat ng organic matters natin. Veggies, vegetables, prutas na binulok, kinumpos ko ng 30 days. And then, ipinakain ba sa worms. So, ang ending product po ay poop na po ng worms ang vermicast.
Di ba yung organic tsaka vermicast isa ba?
Sir, pag sinabing organic, sila yung composition, sila yung karton,
Ganun.
gulay, prutas. Ang vermicast is the end product ng pinakain sa African night crawlers.
African
Night crawler. Isang species po ng worms na ang kanilang credibility is to eat composted materials and then nagpupoop sila. Ito na po, vermicast. Very rich. Rich in NPK, complete. Hindi na po kailangan ng maraming mga fertilizers to complete the soil. Yan po.
Garden soil.
Yan po ang garden soil.
Teka, yung clay soil tsaka garden soil, parang ano? Parehas?
Yes
Similar
po.
yan,
Actually, yun po yun. Ang garden soil lang is fine. Mas malinis. Mas pino bago po ihalo sa. Garden soil is the basic. Basic po yan.
Hindi ko nakikita.
Kasi yung silaw na araw po.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Pagdating nung editing yan, ang ganda niyan kasi maliwanag. Hindi na ako magre-ring
Soil
light.
na tinatawag. Ang compost po yan is carbonized rice hull.
Ito naman yung ang tawag?
Mixed soil.
Mixed soil.
This is the base, the clay soil, the garden soil, and the carbonized. Ipa.
Ipa.
Mas maganda po ito pag i-compost. And cow manure. Manures. Ayan po yung magandang mixture ng mixed soil na tinatawag.
Okay. Ito naman.
Ito na organic soil.
Ito ang
This is
tawag.
carbonized rice hull. Sinunog na ipa. Ano po to? Act as a expander to the soil. Pampabuhaghag para maging fast draining. And yet, pest free yung mga snails na maliliit.
Hindi sila dyan
Yes, ayaw po nila yan. Yung mga mga pests sa ilalim ng lupa, yan po ang pang-prevent. And yet, it's organic also.
Ito naman yung...
Organic soil po.
Ay,
Yan na po yung halo-halong composted materials na yun.
I hope you learned a lot on this video. I am your Sir Domanais saying happy learning, good day, and God bless.